Good afternoon.
Honey, here she is. Hope you know how to wash.
Okay. I know how to wash, so let me even start now. Let me arrange the bed.
Babe, is this the house help?
Yes, perfect. Our agency sent her down. She is very good at her job. You can see, we have not even discussed. She's already dressing bed. Wow. She knows her job.
Babe, can we talk this over?
You said you needed one.
Babe, no, not this one. Babe, don't worry. I'll do the cooking. From today, I'll do the washing. She needs to wash. Don't worry, I'll do everything. You don't even have to talk.
So what's up, my people on the day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reactions. So guys, this one is going to be very quick, like a short one. So just do something for me. Subscribe to my channel. You understand? Subscribe to my channel. It's very important. Make sure to watch to the very end. Watch to the very end and drop nice comments. And if you're yet subscribed, please do the needful. So don't play, my people. Don't play. Let's go have some fun. No, baby, you don't buy.
Child, madam, sorry. Hey, boy, we no get problem.
You went to baby like that lifelessly.
And so person they do. If you buy, you don't buy with that.
It is well. Hey! 1 million, I want to my picking on the way for university. I don't go say that from Nduka. I don't say that from Nduka. Okay, that one no be problem now. Your wife holding phone. Wife go help us bring the money.
I know your phone password though, but I get in ATM.
Thank you, Dalu. PS get in there. PS get here because come. Help me. I beg check the transaction. You don't go Nduka. Instead of Nduka, help me pick up.
Can't take.
Ndu baby go wake up.
The 1 million no go.
If you be say bank don't come on small charge now, try 900 as I go.
Okay. I don't know if I beg. Chai, this kind debt, eh? It no go.
If you be saying card no, they come on 900 one time. Try 800.
Madam, sorry, I no see the moon. Na 800 no go. But try 700 now. Try 700 oh.
You don't go. 700 go. What you go happen to the rest of the money? Baba, I don't collect by 30%. Ndu baby, you will not die because of small transaction. Wake up.
Baba, listen to me. As long as I live and breathe, as a man go Methuselah, I rest my case on God.
As a man.
Yeah. My God.
Even for that, Baba still they carry 30%.
Ogami, how you doing now? No, my first time for this Port Harcourt. No, they get light well. Yeah, I beg, how much for suya?
500.
500. You go give me one. Give me 500 naira. And hey, you go add pepper. Correct. That's it.
Nah, they can't wait and do sim. I don't like them. Everybody the rule. Reach sim at 1 o'clock. Then bring state of emergency.
Bros, what's the problem? What's state of emergency? What's happening?
You know they Port Harcourt.
What is sim?
What did happen in Port Harcourt?
So what does it concern my suya? What's wrong with you? Bros, can you imagine this guy? He came here, took my suya, telling me sim.
You have a point. When two elephants fight, the grass suffers. Let them trace it from the grassroots.
Yeah. And I will stop that kind of nonsense. It's the part I can party with them do.
That's why Chinedu declared a state of emergency. Don't say that.
Oh,
don't chop my guys.
You know they try you. You go to this Port Harcourt, don't know what did happen.
I'm just coming. This is my first time in Port Harcourt. I'm coming. What is it?
Looking at you, it seems you're a bad person because you don't like sin.
No, don't say that.
What's happening now? What's happening? Bros, what I know?
Jesus! No, on top wicked head, you say suya.
Waiting be this.
On top just a wicked head, now you cut suya. You even carry pepper put for your eye. So you want pepper wicked.
Body go tell you.
I no blame on her. Now we can give on her room to see and finish. I no blame on her. Now for your eye, more fresh pepper. They hope you.
Bros, can you explain what's happening in Port Harcourt? What is going on now? You said you there here. What is the problem?
Okay, Wiki or Sim, which one way is sport?
Not be Wiki and Sim supporters do collaboration. Chop on my suya finish. You see, they ask me who I support. The supporters are hungry. Who do they support? Don't chop. Who do they support? Don't chop. They don't allow me chop my suya. Who get this pepper?
Now your own, sir.
Voila. That's not pepper I buy.
Poor man picking this is something. So much poor man.
I won't condone this.
Same as every other people supporting all these crazy politicians. they will enjoy it with suffer. When Nduka is so jealous.
I'm going to miss you.
Chief Jolistus.
Odogo, please.
National Prime Minister, His Royal Highness.
Baby, let me go to Onitsha and come back. You know, say that's my boys at my shop in Onitsha. They will spoil business for me. You go, I'm coming back, eh? Kiss me.
You be mumu.
Mommy, let me go and come back, yeah?
Odogo, bye.
This girl is missing me too much. Hello, Chalugo.
Odogo!
I think in front of God is good. All is good.
Odogo, they've kidnapped me!
God have mercy. You shut on my ear and not forget one for your brain.
Come on, will you give those kidnappers food? How much are they asking for?
Hello.
Come. This phone there on loudspeaker.
No.
Scorpion dey there.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Mona hold my girlfriend. Waka for her leg. For these jelly boys go knock her for me. And they come back next week. Mona hold on tight.
Active.
Okay.
First boss.
If they burn your papa way, just come out now. I dare your street and they wait for you. If they CP!
This guy don't get sense.
Give me your phone first. Give me your... You slap CP!
CP. And it's Chief Priest, which one?
Yeah, that reminds me. I hope you don't have HIV, Barnabas.
HIV. As you see me like this, every week I go run HIV test. Even when I run malaria test, they add HIV on join. And I don't send them.
I know what I'm saying. No, I don't.
You wear clothes, lie down on top bed.
Jesus!
You can wish.
You don't get them before.
But that's the reason why I told you to use condom.
Son of grace. Your own is feeling.
Women.
I had a big secret I want to tell you people.
Madam, what did you say is the problem?
I'm saying that your son, your pikin, give my pikin belly. Give us small belly.
No, do not do.
My pikin.
Yes, now you never talk. Don't be you get that pikin. Not be here in this day.
You know, Barnabas.
Barnabas got you pregnant.
Yes, sir, we did it to your house.
This house? No, that's not possible, eh? Barnabas! Barnabas! Yeah? Do you know this young lady?
One man picking.
Do you know her? Yes. Very good. The mother here said you got her daughter pregnant. Is that true?
Okay, quite alright. I give her daughter baby. So I'm gonna ask her daughter what she should give me.
Wait till you give her.
You no give me HIV.
Give her HIV.
Madam, it's okay now, it's okay. Eh? Just leave them, eh? Get it treated by butter.
Hey! Funnybros.
Oh, hello, pretty.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Oh, that's good. What is a pretty lady like you doing under this whole sun?
I'm trying to make a call.
A call? Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Do you mind giving me 5 minutes of your time? Like, let's talk, you know?
It is smoky.
What do you think?
Okay, that's fine.
Hop in. This is your smile. I hope it's not the Jew wagon. So, what's your name?
Pretty twos.
Pretty Tools.
Pretty too.
Okay. No, I'm Odogu, Malaysia.
Okay.
Odogo, please.
Hey! I know it's Nduka, Malaysia, but you cannot eat them.
Just take it easy.
No.
You go carry your motor go.
Oga beg na mistake. Na chippings, na small chippings.
Chicken.
Na chippings, Oga beg.
Are you what?
Oga. Na chippings, Oga.
Be careful.
Naji wagon.
Oh, I'm tired.
Is he among those that came for the waiter's position?
Yes, sir.
Waiter's position.
Hey! What happened to my phone? Hey! Supervisor.
Jesus. Don't be like you do.
How many of you remember the smack?
It's not that well. And it's spread this one.
You say that even the job man lose now, they even they pay me.
Jay!
I want to do pepper me, man. Last canal, me poor. I be slam.
Presido!
May they use this ball to follow him up.
Presido, since this guy don't throw your last pole, will be your last canal.
Okay.
Take this Oris, take follow up.
Wait. Slam. May they leave this one for me.
Oh. How many of you remember?
I don't know.
Tell me if you did like I really did for you. Boy, young guy, they for you. I feel this time for yourself. Don't let me know they can't do.
Welcome, sir.
I found out that I don't see this comedy again.
You have told me, sir.
So what are you doing here?
No, you are fine and come. It's your daughter.
Which one are you smoking?
Just imagine. Get out of this place!
Sorry.
Get out from here!
It's your daughter.
Let me see your leg in this company again.
See my leg.
Me. I don't blame you. I don't have expected you. I'm not following men. Take my back also. Sorry for yourself.
$50 no money.
Please now, eh? Please, just give me coke and bread.
You're paying money since 3 months. Since 3 months.
Give him our pay.
Yeah, come on. Obviously. My brother. Sorry, my son, eh? Sorry about your daddy, eh? I'm sorry.
No problem.
Hey, you know what? What is it? You can come and see my daughter anytime you like.
No. She say you don't want to see my legs in your compound. So it's your daughter that will be coming to see me.
Hey!
That is your coke and bread.
She said I play.
Poor man picking. Hey!
She'll come and see you this evening.
We may be hungry, but we can manage our hunger.
Full of laughter.
Where's this one, huh?
Adventure.
Congratulations. Pluto, congratulations. Now to wash this car.
Wow. They hit the car now. Why did they hit him?
To leave her, but now to wash this car.
And they call we must wash her.
They will carry your car come also.
Wash car today.
This one don't get sense. You don't go to the meeting.
What's going on here?
Hello, motherfucker.
No, now Pluto, not be this kind of wash. Now alcoholic wash.
Abi.
When me back kasi ban alcohol.
Pluto, normally people back and a champagne they pop champagne on top the car.
God punish your father. Anybody back up with your family before?
If you not pay complete for this car, you talk. Which one be more? They know money.
Can you
As I
imagine?
drop my soap, when I come out my crib.
Pluto, na motor you buy now. Why the driver go for us?
I said when I come out my crib. Not touch that car. Before your black stain my white.
Pluto, you don't sabi you.
Yeah.
That was so cute. I know, right?
Hey!
If I hear pink,
Let me on this.
Help me on this. Can you imagine?
Ima. I billion. What's up? Naiji, what is the chop? It's not anything. It's the chop, but I'm out to the dance now. Papa, I'm not go down my place. They'll go now.
You don't want to finish, Abi? After you don't pay me my money, I want you to see this bag.
Boss, give him back in bag now.
Who be this one? Tell your brother, me ain't paying my money, eh? Any day pay my money. I didn't go see this bag.
Boss,
And you don't train bread for inside.
boy, now why you got the bag? Pass person where they carry him back.
I wonder.
You don't go understand. I'm a freedom fighter. Oh, freedom fighter. I like peace. Boss, they give him now.
Bro, calm down. I know say they owe you.
Poor man picking.
Okay, I know why now. If I beg for this thing, if you give me, you're the crazy. If you don't chop something now, You don't finish, Bye bye. Watch up life. You don't fight. See problem where you don't go put me now. See problem. Every time you go there,
We don't really send you for yet. We don't really send you for yet.
3 o'clock sharp. 4 o'clock. What's in the wait for? Patience. Patience, focus.
What's going on here?
Are they hungry? They're hungry. And I want breakfast. 6 o'clock. I'm gonna go chop.
Jesus.
Says in Russia.
God have mercy upon us.
Sabinus.
I hear waiting at the year. You know, you say this man will get this big house. They say the man money no clean.
Sabinus, you go respect yourself. Keep your mouth. Pim. All these churches, you go put it for problem. You hear this, Respect yourself.
Carry spoon come.
Now waiting people just they talk. I say, all this talk when they talk. Hope say the talk is legit. Say the man money no clean. Say the man they do ritual.
Before you go follow me eat, you go promise me say you go stop to talk, start to walk. Because you talk too much.
I have to walk, and I'm walking. I'll stop talking.
So sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I just wanted to confirm if the food is okay.
Yes, it's okay, very okay.
Okay, should I bring another plate?
No, it's fine.
No. Me, I want
Sabinus.
One man's forgive.
Okay, no problem. It's fine, sir.
Kasongo, yeah. Who be this fine girl now?
Nah, that rich man. This rich man. My daughter. Now she bring this food for me.
That one who they touch the do ritual.
You thought saying they do ritual, no be what I thought.
But he go tell you.
So the food now no go affect me. If it affect you because he believes that the man they do that.
Why? Who told you I'm afraid of it? I'm not afraid. Who tell you?
I know the fear the man, so no go affect me. You will the fear, if it affect you.
Why he no go affect you? Get any God where they serve with me, I know they serve.
I serve the living God. Where him to the serve.
Okay, now God to me I they serve. So, oh, but if you talk now, I know they like rough play like this. What happened? Jesus! What's the problem?
Last now, outside do me.
Stop this kind of thing now, bro. There's a news flying around. You can't be shouting aye for this rice.
Now, wow.
What make you feel it won't work?
I know they fear the man.
Okay.
My nice man.
So if anything happen to me and you die,
nobody will get money, they put half a bad thing.
You can smell them first. These two they smell it too.
Hunger never catch you, man. You never be hungry. What's going on?
Yeah, babe, how are you?
Baby, fine.
How are you doing?
Fine.
Yeah, babe, I need to talk to you, man. You know, we've been married for 2 weeks now.
2 weeks?
And we've been eating takeout, fast food. I want to eat homemade food. Please, just cook something. Go to the kitchen and cook. We have everything.
Daddy knows I be cook.
For me, let me eat homemade
Don't stress
food,
yourself.
Are you seriously asking me to cook? Like I should take my skin, my beautiful self to the kitchen to cook? Why would you do that? See, please, I'm not here to be cooking. I'm not an house help. I'm only here to enjoy myself. I'm in my husband's house. So I want to have my peace. I can't cook, okay? Even while growing up, I didn't cook while growing up. So what happened now? Why should that change?
So just once now. I'm not asking you to do it often. Just once now.
Baby, I should go to the kitchen to go and make food.
Go and cook.
You want to spoil my skin? Do you want to spoil my my skin? Why would you ask your beautiful wife to go to the kitchen? Is this even fair?
Can you imagine?
I'm gonna go my mom. Hello, mommy. Just imagine my husband is telling me to go into the kitchen to go and cook. Mama, this is not fair. I thought he said he loved me. I can't tell me to go and stop
It's okay. We'll order food. I'm going to work now. So you help me to wash those clothes. Yeah, I left them in the basket there.
Babe, how do you expect me to wash your clothes? Like, how do you expect me to use my beautiful skin?
Use washing machine now.
How do you expect me to use my nails to go and put the clothes on inside washing machine? I can't, oh, please. I'm only here for soft life. I'm not here to suffer, please.
It's not hard now. Just wash the clothes now. I'll wash it.
Why are you stressing me? Why are you stressing me? You're stressing me. How can you tell me to go and wash clothes?
I call your mom, see.
I don't like this thing that you're doing. Why are you always stressing me, telling me to go and wash? I'm not a house help. I'm just your wife. I'm not your house help. In fact, I'm going to call my mommy for you because I can't take this anymore. Hello, mommy. Can you imagine my husband is asking me to go and wash clothes, to put his clothes inside the washing machine?
It's okay.
Mommy.
So washing machine.
It's okay.
Have to just put that inside the washing machine.
Babe, I feel what we need in this house is a maid. I feel we should get one.
Really, baby? This sounds like a very good idea. Like a really good idea. I'm serious. You would have said this thing since now, instead of stressing me, telling me to go and babe.
That means you're okay with us getting a maid.
It's not even a question.
I have one downstairs now.
Baby, go and bring her.
She's in the parlor now.
Are you serious?
No, see your maid.
Let me bring her so that I see her.
My body, you.
Yes, please come. Thank you.
Hey, I know, my body. Body.
Good afternoon.
Honey, here she is. Hope you know how to wash.
Oga, I know how to wash, so let me even start now. Let me arrange the bed.
Babe, is this the house help?
Yes, perfect. Our agency sent her down. She's very good at her job. You can see, we have not even discussed. She's already dressed in bed. Wow. She knows her job.
Babe, can we talk this over?
Talk with me.
You said you needed one.
No, not this one. Babe, don't worry. I'll do the cooking. From today, I'll do the washing. She needs to wash. Don't worry, I'll do everything. You don't even have to talk. Just tell her to go.
No.
Babe, we need to send her away. She can't be my house help. No,
she wants to allow her to work now. Let her work.
She has to clean and wash. Just be here for today. No, please.
Allow her to work now.
Don't worry. She has to go.
Oh, guy can walk.
She must work. She must cook.
Allow her to clean now.
Allow her. Oh, yeah, call your mommy.
Daddy, they got it for house. Daddy.
No guesses. First day as an armed robber. See who you want to rob, see people you want to rob. They don't even need police. Now then go finish you by yourself. Can you imagine? Hey God, thanks for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. This thing is funny as well. Like, how only you go carry cutlass, go the raw, like one go raw. See people, as you enter, you see them. Why not turn back and run away? See the worry. And then about Madiba, how you go marry woman? We say, you know, sure say you know say she know if you cook. You can't tell me you never knew she could not cook until you married her. Now you don't find homemade food. Then at the same time, the woman, you don't want to cook, you don't want to cook. All of a sudden they bring body, make you gonna start to cook. You gonna know say you go cook. Like, in this life, we all know what we are doing. You understand? We all know what we are doing. But that's a topic for another day, and it's just comedy. So laugh over it. That is the most important thing. So, like I said earlier, thanks for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And if you're coming across this channel for the very first time and you never subscribe, I don't know what you wait for. Please do the needful and subscribe. Check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel, over 200 and something videos. Check them out. I know you haven't watched them all, so go watch them. You will love them. Like, you will really, really love them. So, see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.